Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. It's nice to have you back. My name is Comfort and this is Comic Crypto. So in today's video I'm going to show you how I made my first payment, my first withdrawal using ZEROQT. So guys, before we get into this video, if you're new to my channel, do well to subscribe to my channel and like this video, then turn the notification bell to get notified whenever I post a new video like this, and do well to share this video with your friends. So stay tuned to the end of this video so that you won't get missed on any of the steps I'm going to run down. So guys, the wallet I'm going to use for this withdrawal is my local wallet as ZEROQT. Okay, I'm going to give a description. I'll drop the link on my description box below where you can get the link to register for ZEROQT and then start making a passive income with ZEROQT. I'm going to use ZEROQT because I can't download Trust Wallet to my PC now, so that's why I'm making use of my local exchange. And why I'm making use of this local exchange is that I can be able to withdraw this money directly without having if I happen to use Trust Wallet, I will have to go to Pancake Swap, and then I'll have to have some BNB to sell out. So that's why I'm using my local wallet. So let's get into this video. I'm going to go ahead and then I'll be going back to my ZEROQT platform, and then you will see that I've been mining this. I've gotten to the threshold, which is 116. Okay, the threshold for the withdrawal is just 100,000 ZQT, and I've already made my first threshold, which is 116,360 ZQT. So I'm going to make a withdrawal. So guys, watch this video because I'm going to run down all the steps on how to make this withdrawal, and then I'm going to get it directly to my wallet. For those of you that are doubting, those of you that have been asking questions and say, can this token be withdrawn? Yes, you can actually withdraw this to your wallet. Okay, so I'm going to make my first withdrawal. So let's just watch and see how I'm going to make this withdrawal. So like I said, I'll be using my ZEROQT. I'll be withdrawing the cryptocurrency I'll be using for this coin is Dogecoin. So I'll just go ahead and click on my Dogecoin. I'll click to receive. I'll be receiving this. I'll just click on receive Dogecoin. Then I'll go ahead and copy my Dogecoin address. Then let's go back to our ZEROQT web page. So I'll just go ahead and then click on withdraw liquidity. So guys, for those of you that have not registered on this platform, this is a very legitimate platform and it's paying. So I'm going to show you my withdrawal proof. So guys, I'm just going to go ahead and then place a withdrawal. I'll go ahead and place a withdrawal. Where we'll have here withdraw, I'll just need to click on this withdraw. Then I'm not going to choose the particular cryptocurrency I'll be withdrawing my fund to. If I'll be using Bitcoin, Litecoin, Dogecoin, so I'm going to choose Dogecoin. I'm going to choose Dogecoin. Then I will be pressing my token address. So let's go to where we have my token address. Okay, now the address, I just need to paste my address there. Then I'm gonna click on remove liquidity or swap to withdraw. This icon here showing green, I'm just gonna go ahead and hit on this icon. So let's see. Okay, let me sign in again. Already signed up. Just need to sign in, then log in. So guys, I'm gonna go ahead and repeat the process again. Why it's locked me out? Because it's been long I log in, that's why it logged me out. So I'm just gonna go ahead and repeat the whole process again. I'm just gonna go ahead and click on withdraw. Then I'm going to click on Dogecoin. I'm not going to withdraw through Bitcoin. I'll be using my I'll be withdrawing through Dogecoin. Then this is what I've mined already. I've mined 116,360 ZQT, and the minimum to withdraw, the threshold is just 100,000. Okay, so I'm just going to go ahead and then put in my Dogecoin address that I copied. Okay, let's go back again and copy the Dogecoin address. Copy my Dogecoin. Okay, then let's go back here. Then I'm gonna paste my Dogecoin address. Okay, guys, I'm making a mistake here. Okay, just going to go ahead and paste my Dogecoin address. Yes. Okay, now this is optional. Then the next thing I'm going to do is just to click on remove liquidity. So we are going to see if this will be withdrawn to my Roku account. We just have some network challenge here, so let's just wait and see. Okay guys, this is just a network issue. Let's go back. Then I'm going to click on withdraw again. I'll choose Dogecoin. Then I'm going to put my address, the address I copied from my Roku. I'll be receiving 90 Doge. This is the most approximative exchange rate available at this time. So let's just go ahead and click again, swap. So let's just wait. Okay, your Dogecoin are on the way. A confirmation mail will be sent to you soon. So let's go and check if I've actually been sent this confirmation mail. You can see my withdraw, my liquidity of 100,000 have been moved. What I have here is now 16,360 left. So let's just go back here and check. I'm just going to go ahead and click on my. So guys, this is my email address. You can see here that a confirmation mail have been sent. Your withdrawal request have been successfully processed, and a total amount of 90 Doge, which is $7.73, has been withdrawn from your ZEROQT POP receiving address. So guys, this is just it. We are going to go back here and check if it has arrived on my wallet. So guys, let's go back. I'm going to go back now to my wallet and check if the transaction have been confirmed and sent to my wallet. Like I said, I'm using Roku wallet for this transaction. So let's go back to my wallet. I'm just going to go ahead and refresh this page. I'll refresh my page to see if I've been credited. Okay, so let's see. Yes guys, you can see it on my wallet that's been confirmed. I've withdrawn $7 to my wallet. So guys, you can see how legitimate this site is. You can see that this site is paying. This is my proof of payment. You can see I've having in my in my local currency, as in my country, in naira, it comes out this amount to be 6,000 naira. So guys, just grab this opportunity, jump into this opportunity without wasting much time. Okay, you can see how it is. So if you have not registered in ZEROQT.com, you are really missing out. So guys, don't miss out on this. And if you want to invest, this is a very legit platform. Carry out your own research and invest on this. Or you want to be a free miner, like I said, I am a free miner. You can see I've withdrawn my first trade. I've gotten to my first threshold, and I've withdrawn the liquidity. I've withdrawn it to my wallet, and look at what I have mined again. I'm having here, as you can see, $1.43 is still showing, still remaining. So by the time I get to 100 threshold, I'm going to go ahead and withdraw again. So guys, this is how it is. It's very legit. It's very legit. So just jump into it, just with your email address and your password, and you are good to go, and you can mine it. So guys, I'm going to go ahead and show you more things on this. If you want to buy shares, as you can see, if you want to buy shares, I'll just go to farm share. I'll just go to borrow shares. You need to borrow shares. look at the list of shares to borrow. These are the list of shares to borrow. If you borrow 100 shares, you will be having to borrow 100 shares, you'll be having $18.55. So guys, you can see how legit this site is. So it depends. If you want to be a free miner, if you want to buy more shares to increase your income, in which I'm going to do that in my next video. I'm going to make sure I purchase more shares to increase my income. So guys, if you are still doubting whether this platform pays, you can see my withdrawal proof. I just made it in your presence now. I place a withdrawal in the next 10 minutes. It got to my without wasting much time. I receive it to my local wallet. Like I said, I've used my local wallet to receive this. You can see my withdrawal here. Total of $90 have been 90 DOGE have been sent to my wallet, and you have seen my withdrawal proof. My withdrawal proof here. This is just 1 week of mining, guys. So guys, this is very legit, and you can make a passive income from this site. So without wasting much time, I'll be dropping a link on my Telegram channel. Go to my Telegram channel and get the link, register, and then start mining. Take this, be consistent in mining this, and you will make a very huge money with this platform. Guys, I recommend this platform to you. Recommend it to your friends and family so that you can make a passive income with this platform. Okay, and do well to subscribe to my channel, do well to subscribe to my channel so that you won't miss out on any of my on my videos. Subscribe to my channel, give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to share this video. Do well to subscribe to my channel because I'll be posting more withdrawal proof. I'll be posting more evidence for you, and I'll be showing you so many sites to make a passive income. Okay, don't forget to like this video, click on the bell button, turn on the bell button to get notified when I come back to post a new video like this. So guys, I'm gonna stop here today. I'll stop here today, and I'll come back again with another interesting video. So if you happen to register on this site, make sure to be consistent. Okay, make sure to be consistent to get to the threshold. Okay, be consistent in mining this, and you'll get to the threshold and withdraw $7 to your wallet. They can see this is supposed to be $10, but because of Dogecoin is down, that is why I'm having $7. Okay, so just accumulate this as fast as possible as you can. Just jump into this website, carry out your own research. You want to invest, go ahead and invest, and then carry out your own research. Or you want to be a free miner, you want to borrow shares. So guys, these shares have been given to me. It's just free for now, and I'm going to pay back by May. And before that May, you see I'll be accumulating enough. I'll be accumulating enough Dogecoin before my payback will be on May. You can see we still have May 2023. That's when I'll be paying back my borrowed shares. So guys, just jump into it and borrow your shares and start mining. So I'm gonna stop here today, and I'll come back again with another interesting video like this. Don't forget to get this link. You go to my Telegram channel to get the link, and then register and start mining ZEROQT coins. Okay, I'm gonna stop here today. Like my video, give this video a thumbs up, share this video with your friends so that they can also make money online. Okay, I love you guys, and see you in my next video, and bye bye.